Kia ora koutou, hello everyone. My name is Talitha. I'm founder of Life Force Locks. I'm a natural dread loctician, helping you create and maintain dreadlocks using natural methods, comb and hook technique. Welcome to this maintenance bundle. You must have an interest in maintaining your own dreadlocks. If you're wanting to make sure that your locks are nice and tidy, if you're wanting to cut down on your visits to your dread loctician, or if you don't have a dread loctician around and you want to maintain your locks because of that, then this is a great bundle for you. I have about 9 videos in this bundle that talk you through how to maintain fritzy flyaways and the fuzz, how to maintain your roots, how to look after your hair using DIY homemade remedies. There's a whole bunch of different videos in this bundle, so I hope you get a lot from it. Go ahead and check out the information below and I'll see you inside the bundle. Thanks so much for joining me. Ka kite anō.